Welcome to the big, beautiful Bellis and Luci kitchen. I'm Chef Richie, here with Emily, my assistant, to show off our new Meyer Lemon Vinaigrette with hints of basil and honey. We've created a brand new salad for Taste of New York. And now let's get cooking. This crisp, refreshing, luscious salad is a creation that's part of 3 recipes we've made for the Meyer Lemon Vinaigrette. They are orzo salad, shrimp ceviche, and now a beautiful spring mix blueberry and avocado salad.
That's right, Chef Richie. We have our new Meyer Lemon Vinaigrette. What makes it so special?
We use California Meyer lemons, a touch of local honey and basil. This is 100% olive oil salad dressing, very rare and special with premium ingredients. It's my favorite one of our new dressing line. We have 5. Please use this in a lot of ways. As a dressing, as a marinade, you can finish things. The salads can be either entrees or sides. Be creative. You're the chef, and let's get cooking.
Wow, these ingredients look beautiful. What are we creating today?
We have this fabulous salad, so let's just get it together. First, we're gonna put in the lettuce. We're going to dress it immediately with our Meyer Lemon Vinaigrette. And then we're gonna add several more ingredients. Blueberries.
That Meyer Lemon, you can already smell it.
It's aromatic. Cucumber. Candied pecans. Use all of those. A little bit of sliced red onion.
Now, why do you use red onion versus maybe a yellow or a white?
Well, it brings out the sweetness of the vinaigrette and of the entire salad. So let's toss that together, get it well coated. Oh, at the same time, let's add a little salt and pepper. I like to always salt my greens.
Is that something you learned while studying in Italy?
It is. I was taught to always salt the greens. And you build from the bottom of the dish up. That gets you some height. A little bit of height and dimension for presentation.
This came together so quickly and it was so simple.
You're right, Emily. Simple is often best. You can also make this an entree salad with marinated chicken, salmon, prawns. It's got a lot of options open to you with this Meyer Lemon Vinaigrette.
I feel like anyone could make this salad. It's so simple and it looks delicious.
It is. If I can do it, anybody can. And here comes the avocado. We fanned it out for a nice presentation.
Beautiful.
And we're gonna crumble some feta cheese on top as a delicious edible garnish. Remember that this salad has been tossed with our Meyer Lemon Vinaigrette. It is made with 100% extra virgin olive oil from our family's estate. It's a woman-owned company. It's made for Taste of New York. Today,
this vinaigrette is so versatile. What other dishes could you create with it?
I've created several recipes with this vinaigrette, using it as a marinade and a dressing. We've done a wonderful summer orzo salad that included our premium sun-dried tomatoes. We just did a shrimp ceviche where we used it as the marinade. We actually marinated the shrimp and then cooked it in the marinade, which we used as a sauce in the end. To then toss with our Mediterranean ingredients, many delicious flavors, common to the Greek salad. Red onion, sun-dried tomatoes, cucumber. We tossed all that together, drizzled it again with some of the dressing, and we had a fabulous Greek Italian style ceviche.
It sounds wonderful. The lemon orzo pasta salad sounds delectable. Can you tell me a little bit more of what went into that?
Sure. The technique was very similar to the shrimp. We cooked asparagus with garlic as we did the shrimp, and then we had a lot of other fresh, raw, crisp vegetables, cucumber, red onion, and we tossed all of that together with orzo pasta that we cooked in advance. It would be great on any kind of pasta salad that you used, with bow ties, with penne, anything that you want to add, like vegetables and cheeses and things like that. Add that all together, you get the great pasta salad. You could even do it with a potato salad.
It sounds like that could be served hot or cold, am I right?
Sure, you can invent pastas with this vinaigrette. Drizzle on top after it comes out, and you're ready to serve.
Now Richie, all of our viewers know Bella and Luci by our sun-dried tomatoes in premium oil. But can you tell them a little bit about what was the inspiration for the new vinaigrette line?
Like all of our products, for 30 years, we use premium ingredients. So we have a champagne vinaigrette. We have our Meyer Lemon Vinaigrette we've just showcased. The Modena Balsamic Vinaigrette, and an Italian, generations-old Sonoma family salad dressing vinaigrette, our Italian dressing, is our pride and joy. All of the flavors are fresh and clean, and now we have a new way to promote health, the Mediterranean diet, and have you enjoy our products at home as if they were homemade for you. Thank you so much for being with us here today. We thank Taste of New York. This brand new line of dressings is available coast to coast. Please use them this summer in your entertaining fabulousness and enter the bellasanluci.com recipe contest with your own recipes for salad dressing and marinades, other ways that are creative. You're the chef. Show us how to use it and let's get cooking together. Have a great summer. Arrivederci.